how to fix Valorant stuck on loading screen easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First, just click here. Now type device manager, and after that click display adapters. Right click on device manager, right click on your GPU and then click update driver. Search automatically for drivers and make sure your driver is updated. Let's move to the next step. Now open right games folder, and if you can't find it here, just right click on Valorant icon, click open file location, and here click here to go back, and now here we'll find that. That's it. Now go to Valorant and then live, and here's delete those two files. Click delete, and now close this window, and after that just restart your PC and try again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.